Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome to English Quiz channel. Today we are going to do a video on prepositions. So, what are prepositions? Prepositions are the words that tell us where or when something is. Okay? So, let's take one example. Like the cat is on the mat. The cat is on the mat. Here, the preposition on tells us that the cat is sitting on top of the mat. It is not inside it or under it. So, the cat is on the mat. Okay, so let's take another example. Like the ball is in the box. The ball is in the box. Here, the preposition is in. In tells us that the ball is inside the box, not on top of it or next to it. So here the preposition is the ball is in the box. Okay. So let's take another example so that we get a clear understanding about prepositions. Already we know that prepositions are the words that tell us where or when something is. Okay, so in the third example, I went to the park after school. Here the preposition is after. After tells us that I went to the park after the time when the school ended. Okay, so prepositions can be used to describe the location, time, direction, or manner of something. Okay, they are an important part of English grammar and they help us to understand the meaning of the sentences. Okay, so I hope you got an idea about prepositions. So let's see some more examples of prepositions. The cat jumped over the table. The ball went through the window. I live across the street from you. The school is behind the park. I went to the store for bread. I arrived at the meeting at 10 o'clock. The train left from the station. The plane landed at the airport. I am going to the beach on the weekend. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. I am thinking about going to the movies tonight. I am afraid of heights. I am excited about my new job. I am happy for you. I am angry with him. I am disappointed with the results. I am grateful for my friends. I am responsible for my own actions. I am proud of my son. I am sorry for your loss. The cat is sitting on the table. The plane is flying above the clouds. The ball is rolling down the hill. The dog is running through the park. The book is lying on the floor. The sun is shining through the trees. The bird is flying across the sky. The man is walking down the street. The river is flowing through the mountains. The house is located next to the lake. The school is situated across from the park. The shop is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. The train is leaving in 10 minutes. The meeting is scheduled for tomorrow morning. The movie is starting at 7 p.m. The birthday party is on Saturday. I am going to the store to buy some milk. I am waiting for my friend to arrive. I am looking for my lost keys. I am thinking about going to the park. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, share it, and post your marks in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any new video.